Okay, so before we actually try to write the code, we need to make sure that this is going to work. So we can hit try it in here, or we can use Postman if you know how to use Postman. Now we know that the location is trial because it's a trial account, and the account ID you can actually get it from here. Right, click there, then click the gear in there, and you see that here you have the account ID. You can copy it, you go back to the development portal, and you paste your account ID. Now we are not going to use the created after, nor the created before, nor the page size, nor this, nor this, and the OCM API subscription key is going to be set to the subscription key that you actually select in here. So you select it, and if you hit send, let's see what happens. It says we are unauthorized because let's see, this user is not authorized. User not allowed access to account and this account. So then we first need to go to get account access token. We hit try in here. We select trial. We copy the account. In this case, let's say that we are not going to allow with it. And the subscription key is going to be the subscription key. We hit send, and you see that now we have the access token. So this is how we get the access token. That's the access token that we are actually going to be using in the list videos. So let's go to list videos. Let's hit try trial. The account ID is the account ID we just used. We are not going to use these parameters. Now the access token, we actually are going to use it. So let's copy it. And now if I hit this and I choose the same subscription with which I generated the access account token, I should be able to see the results for the videos list. So you will see that we have a JSON array with account ID, the day the video was created, description for the videos, the name of the videos, uh, the processing status, the review state, the moderation status, if it has already been processed or not. So that's our videos list. So in the next video we will see how to use this in the automated test project and Visual Studio. Thank you very much and have a great day.